name is Nørgaard. I'm the founder and photographer of Better Moments. Right now I'm in Aurora National Park in Finland. Just a few miles from here we have the Russian border, and I'm more or less standing on the Arctic Circle. This is the epicenter of high-end photography in this part of Scandinavia. I'm here because I'm doing research for next year's program about Better Moments and our new workshops, and Finland gonna be one of our highlights. We'll spend 8 days up here, and we will travel around to more than one national park. We will actually cover between 2 and 3 national parks, and we will do a lot of river photography, the raw nature, art photography, whatever you can think about, we will do up here.